Hi, I'm Dr. Sutina. I am a medical aesthetic practitioner with over 20 years experience in the medical aesthetic line. Today I'm going to tell you a little bit about Sculptra, which is a type of liquid filler to use for volumization of the face. Hi, today I'm going to tell you 5 things you need to know if you want to do a Sculptra liquid lip filler. Last week we had a patient who came in and she had a lot of volume loss where her face had become gaunt. Really because she lost a lot of weight. She lost more than 10 kg, and partly because as we age we lose volume, and some people lose a lot more volume in the face. So in this case, this patient, she's 50 years old, she lost volume in the face and it made her look gaunt and made her look older. What is a good option treatment for this? We need to replace the volume since it's lost. One way is by fat grafting, another way is by liquid lifting or liquid filler, namely Sculptra. This is Sculptra. So now I'm going to tell you what are the 5 things you need to know before you undergo a Sculptra treatment. Okay. Number 1, what is Sculptra? Sculptra is a powder form of polylactic acid which is then mixed with water and then injected into the face, and after the water disappears, the Sculptra powder will then start to stimulate your own collagen. So it's very nice because it is own stimulation and own collagen regeneration. And because it's a liquid, it's mixed with water, I can inject it anywhere on the face, in the lower cheeks, in the upper face, in the forehead, lower eyelids, anywhere on the face is possible. This is Sculptra. Before you go for a Sculptra treatment, second thing you need to do is choose your provider or the injector. Next question, what is the recovery time for Sculptra? Right, after the injection, usually you can go back to normal activity almost immediately, but sometimes there could be some swelling, sometimes a little bit of bruising because I need to inject the product in. Sometimes there could be a little bit of discomfort on the injection side. So this is all manageable. What you can do is take some arnica tablets to help with the swelling or the bruising. We can take some oral, you can apply a lot of ice onto the area, onto the face, and of course you can take some oral vitamin K or apply vitamin K cream, which will help to reduce the bruising. Now this swelling normally disappears after 1 or 2 days, which is around what you would consider the downtime, before it starts, the Sculptra powder starts to work and starts to build up your collagen in your skin, and then you will start to see the effect again in the next few days. What are the side effects of Sculptra? The most common, if anything, side effects, the most fearful one is actually lumps and bumps, or rather they are actually granulomas, which are little lumps that occur usually in the area where the skin is very thin, under eye area or around the mouth area, and this could occur a few weeks after. So how to avoid lumps? Okay, like I said, these lumps can occur and it really is dependent on the skill of the injector or the doctor injecting. But how to avoid it? First and foremost, we make sure, on my part, I make sure I inject the Sculptra in the right level of the skin. Secondly, I make sure that the dilution I do is correct and a right dilution. Thirdly, I make sure that the dilution of the Sculptra powder is conducted at least 24 hours before the injection date. Then after the injection, we do a full 10-minute massage, as well as I would say you as the patient would have to go home and do your 3 to 5 times a day massage for the next 3 to 5 days. I always say just do 1 song duration, massage firmly onto the face using a moisturizer or gel, and then this should be good to go. Results. People always ask me, when do I see the results? Now, when we do the Sculptra injection, it is done to ideal correction, meaning you should see the results immediately after. So most of the time I will do one side and I will show how it looks like, and then we complete the other side and you will see an immediate result. Now the thing is, there's a lot of water also inside, and this water will then go down, while the powder will then regenerate new collagen, and that will replace the loss of water. So the actual final results will be seen from 2 weeks to 6 weeks, okay, and the effect goes on in the next few months. Okay, Sculptra is wonderful because if you do this for 2 or 3 sessions, you can have an effect that lasts up to 3 years because it builds up your collagen. So I hope you find this video beneficial to you and you learn something from this, because I find that many people don't know much about Sculptra and all its benefits. If you do want to know more, give us a call at this number, or you can also email me at Dr. Sutina@enhanceclinic.com. Thank you for watching.